guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So if you are looking for the perfect activity table for your little one, I highly recommend this one from IKEA. Now this is the lat table, which also includes these two chairs. We bought this because we were looking for something that was a bit smaller in size. We don't have a whole lot of room in our house, and especially between all the toys and the baby equipment, we wanted something that was going to take up minimal space. And so this fit perfectly into our house. I love its nice simple design, especially with that natural wood. I think it just looks cute in any house. Now, most importantly to me, this table is very easy to clean. Now, my son spends a lot of time here. This is where he does his arts and crafts. It's also his designated snacking area, so it's always covered in either doodles or paint or crumbs. So I just wipe it with a wet cloth and it cleans it up, no problem. So I really like this set. I think it's perfect if you have little ones. There's so many different things that they can use this for. So definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.